What's up, online shoppers? This box just arrived in the mail today. See what it says? Viking. This is a company that does plant-based protein powders, and I'm so excited to give it a try. This is plant-based protein powder, and it was designed by tennis great Venus Williams. This is her company. This product came out of her quest to find plant-based products that could help her maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. Because a lot of people, especially in North America, don't eat enough protein. This one here is the strawberry smoothie flavor. All you have to do is measure out 2 scoops of this Happy Viking protein powder, blend it with your favorite water or milk, and shake it till you make it. I'm gonna mix some of this up. I usually prefer the berry-based flavors as well as the chocolate flavors. And I gotta tell you, the smell of this is like strawberry ice cream cake. I'm not kidding, strawberry ice cream cake. So they give you a scoop for measuring. 2 of these scoops like this. And that's gonna deliver 20 grams of protein in this protein shake, like that. Now, I like to up the ante with protein by adding in protein milk. Now, this one here is cashew and almond. Because this protein powder is so well blended, you actually don't need to put it in a blender. All you need is one of these. So I just usually pour in a little bit and let the blender start doing its job. This smells so amazing. I'm not joking. It smells like strawberry ice cream cake. It's nice and frothy and thick, so it's definitely making it like a smoothie. The other thing I like about using one of these little hand blenders instead of going into a big electric mixer or a big electric blender is that the cleanup is super easy. All I have to do is just rinse this and I'm blended and ready to drink my shake. And you really don't need more than that, especially if you're just adding protein powder to milk or water. Here goes. Oh, the smell is incredible. Wow. It tastes as fantastic as it smells. Now, total grams of sugar in here is 2, and total grams of sugar alcohol is 5 for a total of 7. The taste is delicious, and I can also picture myself putting this in my ice cream maker and making some absolutely wicked protein ice cream. If you are looking for an amazing plant-based protein powder, an alternative to whey powder, this one here by Happy Viking is awesome. And even though this is my first glass, it's already a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.